this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure the Smart Life notification settings are enabled on your OSI Wi-Fi video doorbell AC wired so that you can get notifications on your phone when the doorbell is pressed and when motion is detected. This will ensure notifications pop up on your smartphone. Open the Smart Life app. Then select the profile button that says Me at the bottom right of the screen. Then select the Smart Life Settings button, which is the hexagon icon at the top right of the screen. Select App Notification. Make sure the device alert is enabled and system notification is switched to on. Please avoid the phone call and SMS message buttons. These are paid services that are not used for the OSI Wi-Fi video doorbell. These two should always be set to off. Lastly, under Home, make sure this is enabled. This concludes the Smart Life Notifications tutorial for the OSI Wi-Fi video doorbell AC wired.